Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European Indices for the 3rd of April. I'm just going to make this a quick video because I want to get it out because we've got a trading signal coming here. So with the DAX here, we've been looking at an A wave, an A and a B and a C for the B wave here. And now we can look to go long here. We'll be looking for this market to move higher here. So let's just move into this little area through here. We were short, we've been stopped out of that here. We can now move long over here, and I'll just go to the 15-minute chart here. So a bit complicated here, but we just need to go long here now. So we've got our A wave, B wave and C wave here, and we've got an impulse wave here, we've got an impulse wave here. We need to be long here. We can also build in here on group 2 as well, and we also want to be building in on support up here as well. But you might want to take profit here and buy it back at this particular point here. The stumbling block to the upside will be the 61.8% mark here. So this is where you'll see it have a bit of a reaction. So before you go long on this one here, make sure that you've got that, move that up here, make sure you got support on top of that. Do you know, a nice tested support, a classic trading levels pattern sitting on top here for that. But we're just going to hold long here, and we want to buy in to the beginning of this particular trend. And we'll move to the FTSE now. Just want to keep this simple and to the point. And the same here as well. We've got the A wave here, the A, the B and the C wave here. And we'll look at this as what I need to readjust that. But we've got this in a 3-wave move here, so we can bring that in a little bit closer. We can just go long at that point there, and we'll just keep our stop here for this out of the way here. Also look to add moving up here further as well. Let me just... That's going to be the first problem area at the top here, which will be nice, so we'll understand that. So that's, if I just clear that now, and we'll put that here. So we want to get, it's meeting supply in between, so it's going to be a struggle between these two here. So this next wave will probably end up sort of struggling here, and doing this kind of thing before pushing up here. So just be mindful of that. The other picture here, there's still going to be other struggles as well. There's going to be this struggle through here. And there's also going to be from this top here down to this low here. There's also going to be this struggle here as well here. So we'll just have to see how it goes. It's all going to be a little bit messy. But one of the good news is that if this pushes up through here, then it's this one here, this B wave high here. Once the market goes through this one here, right, then it's calling this in as a corrective pattern. And then that means that this top here is going to be taken out. And if this top is going to be taken out, we could look at the 6,000 here. So we are looking at a trend that we know that the FTSEs are pretty weak in a situation, but this is where we're looking at for it. And this is the same pattern as the S&P. So the S&P will drag this one up. It'll be dragging its feet, moving up. It'll have its moments, like the DAX can drag its feet and then catch up as well. But anyway, let's just see how we go. So in a nutshell, we don't have support on this level yet, on this 500, but a tested support on this level here creates the long trade. Okay, I'm just getting in a little bit early here for this because I'm actually not trading this. I'm in Australia and the US in those markets, but yeah, a nice solid support on this, which we don't have yet. It's not sitting on there. It's still got it as resistance. So we're jumping the gun here somewhat. Yeah. if these lows get taken out here for whatever reasons, the NFP figures, non-farm payroll figures, I think are coming out today. So, and they're going to be high, of course. So, if this low gets taken out here, then we need to be short at that point. Okay, just being practical, right? I don't get lost in marrying a particular direction unless I have evidence. And yeah, so this is the downside here for this. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.
Report unless it's done.
Really?
They're sorting out some votes.